see the girls in the waiting room? They're 11. They're 11, and I'm 75.
You're 30 now.
For about 5 more minutes. What happened? I thought women were giving birth later in life. I read that article.
Look, you're going to be fine.
Okay, is that going to be your response for the next 9 months? Because eventually I'm going to need something a little bit more nuanced.
How about this? Hey, crazy lady. Sure.
Yeah, that's
Whoa. That's what got you here in the first place. Dr. Christine Paletti.
Hey, I'm Amy Gray.
Dave McLaren.
Dave McLaren.
Ready for some fun? Relax.
You okay?
Whew, that's cold.
Somebody should invent warming gel. They'd make a fortune.
How does this work again?
Sound waves. They produce echoes of objects in utero. The computer converts the image to picture, which we're getting here.
I haven't seen anything.
You will.
It's like a shot from the orbiter. Am I going to give birth to a moon rock?
Okay, here we go. The head is here. This is the spine. In a few weeks, these will be the legs. And that is the heartbeat.
Told you how happy I am about this baby.
Sort of.
Well, I am. I'm thrilled and grateful and ready.
Really?
No, but sometimes if you say things enough, it starts to sound okay. I am thrilled and grateful. I am scared. But that's okay. Here's my co-pilot.
Yours to live by, yeah?
You know, we should tell the kids separately.
It's synchronized. Like one of them shouldn't find out before the other one.
Yeah, that's good thinking.
What about today?
Today?
Yeah, I'm having lunch with Victor. You could surprise Laura.
I guess I could tell her at lunch.
We're eating at Giggle Burger.
Yeah, where all of life's important moments should take place.
Once we square away the kids, we can talk about us.
Yeah, right. I gotta get to court.
I'm serious. Dinner tonight. We'll celebrate. Surprise.
You bought me something from the sporting goods store?
Oh, well, I didn't have time to wrap it. What's so funny?
How can I put this politely? Me, sport, no.
Well, breathing exercises will not get your heart back in shape.
A pedometer.
Your doctor recommends 10,000 steps a day. This will tell you when you've reached your goal.
Who told you that? Did Amy tell you that? Recommendations from my doctor are no concern of yours.
We can start after work.
I'm sure I'm busy after work.
You'll do this, and one day you will thank me.
I will thank you to remember that I walk at home on my treadmill.
Oh, you've been using it.
You know everything. Ask your spy.
Hey, Maxine, hang on. I need to talk to you before you leave. Hey, Ignacio.
Good morning, Sean. I'll pick you up after work. Don't forget to wear your pedometer.
I hope you saved the receipt.
So, did you get a phone call about Rudy Pittman? He was in the ER?
He was assaulted on his way home from school yesterday. That's the second time in 5 weeks. I will see his foster mother after my home visits.
Let me know what you find out.
Oh, Peter, stop.
You're right, this is crazy.
No, I just had to move. This armrest was jamming into my stomach. Now, where were we?
No, this is crazy. We're in front of Ned's school.
That's what I like about it.
What, the fact that we could get busted by Mrs. McGreevy, the Napoleonic playground monitor?
And the spontaneity of it all. I haven't seen you like this since... I don't think I've ever seen you like this.
Oh, you are so hot.
Oh, I love it when you say that.
Excuse me, you're blocking me in. Julian, Peter, it's you. It's Mary Walsh.
Hi, Mary.
Hi.
What are you two doing?
Leaving.
Bye, Mary. We'll call you about that fundraiser. Morning. Appearances?
Sharon Lemieux for the state, Your Honor.
Curtis Guidry, Minors Counsel.
Okay, I see the defendant has been charged with domestic battery and assault and willful destruction of property. Now, Daniel Mulhern is 13. This is his first offense, and the victim was his 12-year-old brother. Why are we here, Miss Lemieux?
Your Honor, the state is offered 2 years probation and mandatory counseling. The defense declined.
The parents of my client feel it's not in his best interest to accept the plea.
They're holding out for complete dismissal of charges?
No, Your Honor.
I don't understand.
Permission to speak in chambers?
They want their son incarcerated.
Ideally to a location with psych facilities.
Okay, this boy got into a fight with his brother and then broke the windows of the family Volvo. Well, clearly not ideal teenage behavior. It hardly warrants incarceration.
The state agrees, Your Honor. We were very comfortable with the probation.
Daniel Mulhern is unstable. This is just the latest in a series of incidents.
We're not here to discuss other incidents. Why don't you tell me what's really going on?
The Mulherns are considering terminating their parental rights.
They want their son incarcerated while they consider the option of getting rid of him?
The Romanian orphanage, which arranged the adoption, either failed to disclose or failed to recognize Daniel's psychological problems. He's a very damaged boy.
Well, lemon laws don't apply to children. So they went on to adopt another child after Daniel?
Their younger son, Seth, is their biological child, Your Honor. They were told they couldn't have children, but Seth proved otherwise.
They're seriously going to insist on this trial?
I'm afraid so, Your Honor.
All right, well, we need to table the delinquency case until after the dependency matter is settled. So, contact ECF, and we should appoint a guardian ad litem for Daniel.
I'll take care of it.
I don't want Daniel at these proceedings.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm not happy about this counselor.
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay.
Street outreach. Crystal's not here. Can I take a message? Yep. I'll tell you called. Bye.
Hey, Vincent, any calls?
Nope.
Leon. How you doing, man?
Heard you got beat. Oh, well, yes, just your basic raider pimp misunderstanding thing.
Yeah, is that why you answering phones? Crystal bench you?
That's my theory.
Leon, come back tomorrow morning. I'll have this ready for you.
All right, cool.
When did Leon show up?
Yesterday, he found me on the street. He's trying to get into the Deneen house. It's a privately funded halfway house, and I'm helping him with his application.
I thought Leon preferred living on the street.
He found a job at a radio station logging tapes, but without an address, they won't hire him.
Well, I hope that you can help him because I couldn't.
You want to help? Type up his application while I run to the food co-op.
If I do this, will you release me from phone duty hell?
Probably not.
Mom? What are you doing here?
I brought us lunch.
But today's pizza day in the cafeteria.
Well, you can eat pizza if that's what you want. I'll eat my turkey sandwich. The point is that we can eat lunch together.
Okay, what's going on?
Nothing. Okay, something is going on, but it's...
Is Grandma sick?
No.
Are you taking Dad back to court again? You said you wouldn't.
No, it's not that. It's nothing bad.
Then what is it?
Did you want to get that pizza?
Mom?
I'm having a baby. David and I are having a baby.
Oh my God.
Lauren. I know this is coming out of the blue. It's coming out of the blue for me too. But you are still my baby. And now you'll be a big sister. Isn't that just a little bit exciting?
On what planet?
Oh, Lauren, Cassidy.
Please, Mom. Just leave me alone.
I see there's new graffiti in the hallways, Estella.
Gangs. They're everywhere now.
Is Rudy involved? Is that why he was attacked?
No way he is banging.
What about your son, Emilio? I'm sorry. You understand why I have to ask.
Gregorio died 3 years ago. I moved to get Emilio away from all that.
I know.
They were after his rolling backpack. All the kids have them, except some of them don't want to pay for them. I do the best I can.
You've been a wonderful foster mother for Rudy. But it's the second time he's been hurt. If we can't find a workable solution, I will have to remove him.
And now it's the funniest part.
Hello, Emilio. Hello, Rudy.
Hola, mijos.
I heard about what happened to you. Who did that?
I didn't see him. One minute I'm walking home, the next I'm face down on the sidewalk. They grabbed my backpack. They split. It's no big deal.
You're not gonna make him leave, are you?
Please let me stay here.
Do you walk to and from school the same route every day?
Yes, he does.
Change that. And make sure that he has a chaperone.
Yes.
Thank you, Maxine.
This cannot happen again. You have to keep Rudy safe.
I will. We both will.
Tom and I had seen pictures of Daniel on the orphanage website from the time he was born. But he was 3.5 by the time we were finally allowed to meet him. He was so beautiful. His big, dark, sad eyes. The way he looked up at us from that rickety crib. I told Tom that we weren't leaving there without him.
And when did you first notice signs that something might be wrong?
On the plane back from Bucharest, he wouldn't make eye contact with us. We told ourselves he didn't know us. It was an unfamiliar environment. There was a language barrier. And then when we got him home, he seemed fine. He just preferred to be alone. Bath times were stressful. Getting him dressed was a challenge. He would flail his arms and scream. Shriek. Really, this horrible high-pitched shriek. The neighbors must have thought we were killing him.
And how did you handle the situation?
Our pediatrician referred us to 2 specialists who agreed that Daniel had an attachment disorder. We exhausted ourselves flying to see other specialists, reading books, trying medications. I've homeschooled Daniel. Nothing seems to work. We're not helping him.
I have no further questions.
You adopted Daniel at 3.5. And how old is he now?
He's 13. He's getting so tall. Strong.
And what happened the night he was arrested?
Seth was outside playing basketball with some of his friends. Daniel wanted the basketball, and he got angry when Seth told him he couldn't have it. He started pumping his fists in the air and screaming at the top of his lungs.
And you saw all this?
Yes. I tried to redirect him, calm him down. But he just brushed right past me. I could feel how angry he was. And it's like I wasn't even there. Or I was the enemy. Anyway, he grabbed the golf club from the garage and he just started swinging. And he broke the car window. And Seth tried to stop him. He couldn't. None of us could. It only ended when the police dragged him away. We have tried, Your Honor, but Daniel feels nothing for us. It's not his fault. But I can't take it anymore. Can you please just take him and let us get on with our lives?
I'm trying to type Leon's essay, but it won't go into my computer.
Why not?
It sucks.
Not everyone could be a famous writer like you.
To tell the truth, this doesn't sound like it came from a kid living on the streets. It definitely doesn't sound like Leon.
The board at the Deneen House will want someone who appears as low maintenance as possible. Someone who doesn't cause problems.
But they want somebody who has a chance, somebody deserving, someone unique.
We've seen what happens when you try and help Leon. Just let me handle this, okay?
Street outreach.
Thank you.
You know, when we were together, this was just a couch.
Yeah, look at us now.
With bed.
Oh, yeah.
You want to christen the kitchen?
Oh, Jillian.
Oh, no. I've got a better idea. The balcony.
It's freezing out.
Not for long.
You know, all this sneaking around in basements and cars.
Keep talking, baby.
It's been really great.
No.
Seriously. But well, not that I'm obsessing or anything. I'm just wondering, where are we going with all this?
What do you mean?
Us, you and me. Where are we going?
Laundry room.
Excuse me?
2 words. Spin cycle.
So you didn't actually write down the list? Because last week when we met, you said you'd come back with a list. Graciela, if these sessions are going to have any real
It's all
meaning...
in my head.
The list? Okay, tell me.
I'm gonna make efforts to get along with people better.
Good. Anyone in particular?
I don't know, counselor, PO, bus driver, you.
I appreciate that. Anything else?
Ain't that enough?
It's a start.
Whatever happened to just showing up?
It's working. Look at us. Look at us. Showing up.
How's the pace?
Challenging.
We can slow down a little bit.
Oh, that's a lovely idea.
Okay. Water? Okay. What, not enough scotch?
Hi, Ignacio.
Hi, Laurel. How are you? When it gets warmer, we can hike.
Take a hike. Good idea.
Ignacio! Hi!
Ladies? Hi.
Morning.
How often do you take this particular walk?
A couple times a week.
Met my goal.
What are you? Let me see that. Almost 4,000 steps. Very good, but still short of our goal of 6,000 steps.
Trust me, I am done.
Okay, we can relax for a little while. You did very good, though. Next time it'll be easier.
I don't know that there will be a next time.
Oh, well, there will be a next time, and you'll be stronger. Trust me on this.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Perfect timing.
This place is beautiful.
I hope you like it. Well,
You go first.
No, you go first. Go ahead. All right, Victor was thrilled. He hugged me. You know how long it's been since I can't even remember the last time he... I'm sorry, I cut you off.
No, it's okay. You go on.
It was just such an amazing experience. I mean, it was an amazing moment. He really couldn't be any happier for me. For you, you know, for all of us.
You sound surprised.
I was very surprised, yeah. It wasn't at all what I expected. I mean, that moment, you know, my son. What can I say? He inspired me.
Sounds wonderful.
So, go on, tell me, what did Lauren say? Amy?
Well, it was awful. She ran away, and I chased her, and by that time she was yelling at me, telling me to leave her alone, which I did, and now she is at Michael's, not answering her cell phone.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
You know what? That might be her. It's Michael. Hey, yeah, thanks for calling. You know what, Michael, you're breaking up. Yeah. Michael? Yeah, just hold on, I'm trying to get a better connection. Yeah. I can't. Hello, can you hear? I can't. Michael? Okay. Okay. Can you just not move around? Because I can hear you right now. Michael? Yeah. Okay. Is she down? Yeah,
See my shirt?
This? No.
It is. It's my shirt.
It isn't.
With the stripes, the pointy collar, that's mine. That's my shirt.
It is not your shirt. I do not wear your clothes. Believe me, I have a very keen sense of boundaries. What's mine is mine. What's yours is yours. Maintaining that distinction is the only way I preserve my fragile sanity in this adolescent arrangement.
It's in my belt.
Yep.
Oh, Jillian called.
What'd she say?
Tomorrow night, watermelon martinis, leather pants, guitar.
Give me that.
What does that mean?
It means I'm not going to get a lot of sleep.
Oh, I so don't want to know that.
Dude, something's happened to Jillian.
What are you talking about?
My sweet, thoughtful, kind, and considerate wife. She's gone. And in her place has arisen this aggressive, insatiable siren of surging, wanting, needing.
Stop.
We don't eat, we don't talk. She's just at me.
Peter!
I feel like a spring-loaded action figure. This message? She wants me to show up dressed to party.
Perfect. Now I'm a messenger in my brother's booty call.
I don't know what to do. It's like I don't know her anymore.
Okay. You want my advice? Here it is. Enjoy it while it lasts. And never speak of this again. Ever.
What's happened?
Rudy was stabbed
When?
this morning on his way to school.
Weren't you with him?
No, I overslept. He left for school without me. And by the time I caught up, it had gone down. And then that's when I carried him home and I called Mom.
I told them to call 911 and to meet me here. They took Rudy into surgery. I am so sorry, Maxine. I try to keep him safe. It's like somebody's after him.
Yes, it is.
Dr. Wright, is there anything that can be done for Daniel Mulhern?
I am still searching, along with every other attachment specialist.
Any medications that can help?
Unfortunately, there are no medications that can specifically treat reactive attachment disorder. There are antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications, but little else.
So it is your opinion that Daniel should be placed into a residential treatment facility?
That would certainly be an option, as would hiring a shadow, someone to accompany Daniel to school. But that would require keeping him in the Mulhern home.
If he were removed from the Mulhern home and placed into foster care, what would the negative impact be on him?
I don't know that there would be any.
You're saying he could sleep in an unfamiliar bed tonight with strangers down the hall and it would make no difference to him? None?
Probably not.
I need to speak to Daniel.
You mean Crystal again?
She told me to come by and pick up something.
Your application to Deneen House?
What do you know about that?
I typed it. Part of my clerical duties. It's here on the desk here. Listen, I know it's none of my business.
Now, why do people start sentences with, it's none of my business, but they know they're about to stick their noses right where it doesn't belong?
Sometimes people feel they have helpful information and they take a chance that they will be heard.
Yeah.
Right here.
Your essay sucks. It's general, it doesn't sound like you, tells me nothing about why you belong at Deneen House.
Yeah, well, maybe that wasn't my goal.
It's titled Why I Belong at Deneen House. You're an intelligent, interesting guy. I'm wondering why you try not to sound like one.
Yeah, we'll keep wondering.
Okay, tell me, in your own words.
Tell you what?
Why you belong at Deneen House.
I don't belong at Deneen House, okay?
Why?
Because I should already be living at a house, not applying for one. I should be living with my own family. Work? They're supposed to take care of you till you grow up or get a job or something? I should be out there applying for colleges, not a roof over my head. This is screwed up, man, okay? Look, I just don't belong there, okay? I just don't.
What you just said? Write that down.
Yeah, right.
And all of it. Every word.
So, Daniel, it's my job to figure out the best place for you to live. And I really want you to be happy, so I'm going to ask you a few questions. Is that okay?
Sure.
You like to draw?
Yeah.
Cartoons, huh? Wow, that's really good. What's his name?
I don't know. I just made him up.
Well, I'm really impressed. So, I want to hear about your family, Daniel. Do you like your brother?
He's not really my brother.
Why do you say that? Tell me about your parents.
There's an episode of The Fairly Odd Parents where Timmy has to tell everybody about his fairy godparents and they disappear. It's really funny.
Daniel, Judge Gray wants to hear about your family. Can you tell her how you feel about them? Daniel, I'm speaking to you. Please answer me.
You know what? It's fine. You can keep drawing and we'll talk when you're ready.
Actually, Daniel, I need you to look at Judge Gray and focus.
Daniel! Daniel!
Leave me alone!
Listen to
Get
my
away
voice.
from me!
Daniel!
I hate you!
Listen!
I hate you!
Listen to my
Leave
voice!
me alone!
Daniel!
Leave me alone!
Daniel!
I hate you!
I want you to know something right now, Rudy. This will never happen to you again. Can you believe me? Good. It's important that you trust me. Can you trust me? Why do you think you were attacked? I mean, it couldn't be for your backpack this time because you didn't have one.
Nearly got me a new one.
He did? What was inside of it? Can you tell me what was inside of it? Did you want to carry the backpack?
I had to.
Somebody forced you? Who? I need you to tell me what was in the backpack. I want to make these attacks stop.
On the way to school is usually money. Guy at the bus stop would take it out.
What happened on the way home?
Another guy will put something into the backpack.
What?
I don't know. And they never let me see.
Emilio.
No, no.
Did you tell Ms. Ramirez that this was happening?
No. Please don't get mad at Emilio. He's like my brother.
Brothers are not supposed to put each other in danger. Thank you. Thank you for being so brave. Get some rest. Emilio, I want to talk to you. I'm calling the police.
Emilio! Emilio, come back here! Maxine! Emilio! Emilio! Emilio!
I believe the Mulherns entered into parenthood with the best of intentions. They flew halfway around the world to find a child. They took him from a desperate situation and gave him their time and attention and the benefit of their resources. But Daniel has special needs, and the sad truth is that no amount of intervention at this point could make up for his abandonment at birth. You didn't get the child you wanted. I'm sure many parents have felt that way about their child at some point. Whether it's a physical or a mental deficiency or a failure to achieve or a lack of ambition or simply making choices that are at odds with the parents' own values, sometimes our children disappoint us. Sometimes they don't like us. And sadly, sometimes we don't like them. But they're ours. Daniel is your son. He needs you. Parenting is not about getting back. We can't always count on returned love or seeing ourselves in our child. But you must have already known that because you were willing to adopt another person's child. That's admirable. In my opinion, that's the essence of parenthood. I feel for you. I know this is not easy. But it is your responsibility. So I am denying the OTC, but keeping the abuse and neglect petition open while the Mulhern family works with DCF to find supportive services. If you choose a residential facility for Daniel, I will amend the order to require you to visit him regularly and to participate in whatever counseling is offered. You are the only family this boy will ever have. Court's adjourned.
Got a call from Catherine Birkin, the director of Deneen House, today. She said Leon's essay was the most honest she's ever read. He's getting in.
Thank you.
You're not mad?
You were right. Maybe you're not such a loser after all.
All right, so does this mean I can finally leave the building?
No.
No, seriously.
Seriously? No.
He was using Rudy as a drug mule to ferry cash and dope through that benighted neighborhood. An 8-year-old boy.
No, the police will find Emilio.
Not with any help from Estella Ramirez. When I went to pick up Rudy's things, she said she will do everything in her power to protect Emilio. She said she's lost one son. She will not lose another. Apparently, she doesn't count Rudy.
You okay?
It hurts again.
Your heart?
I thought I'd be stronger. I thought I could just go back to DCF and handle all
You will.
I'm not so sure anymore.
Look, you built up a tolerance.
Who wants that?
Come on, let's go.
I'm tired.
No. Just a few steps. You'll feel better. Come on, trust me. That's not the one I'm worried about. We'll see.
You'll see.
He came home from Dad's.
I needed my computer.
Can we talk about the other day?
No.
Okay. Let me rephrase that. Talk to me.
You just make decisions without even thinking how it affects me. I mean, I'm here too, Mom.
I know. I know, sweetheart. And you used to be my only child, and so this takes some time to adjust.
I mean, it's like you just took a flamethrower to my social life, and you don't even care.
Wait, I'm sorry. How does my having a baby take a flamethrower to your social life?
I'm not gonna date my brother.
Victor? You're talking about Victor?
What did you think?
I thought you two broke up.
Well, maybe not forever. I mean, we were starting to talk, and then you do this.
Oh, wow. Yeah, right. Well, I'm sorry that this is... No. You know what? No. You're 12. When I was 12, I thought that I would never love again after Chad Stevenson dumped me. But you know what? I never think about Chad Stevenson, not even now when I'm saying his name. You'll get over it.
You don't know that?
Yes. Yeah, honey, I do. And this baby is going to be your brother or sister, and we're going to be a family forever. And that's what's important. Well, you finish up your homework.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't let all the cold air out. What are you doing? I'm 50 steps away from completing my first 10,000 step day. I'm approximately 27 steps from my bed, so I am completing the last 5, 6, 27 steps. Good for you.
Cookies?
Any milk?
In the refrigerator?
I can't spare the steps.
Allow me.
I heard you and Lauren upstairs. How did that go?
It's very enlightening.
Really?
Yeah. I found out that she still has a crush on Victor, and that having a sibling in common would make it less likely for them to be prom dates.
Oh, dear.
Yeah. I mean, it would be pretty odd for them to be living in the same house.
Have you and David decided to move in together?
Oh, I don't know. I guess I just thought... I don't know.
Well, thank you for the milk and cookies. I'm going to go upstairs and collapse. 9,977. 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80.
I'm going way.
Hey, Jillian.
Hello, Peter. You look amazing. Oh, and I am wearing my favorite cologne.
It's patchouli oil.
Drives me crazy.
Jillian, can we talk?
No.
No, really, I think we should talk.
Later.
No, seriously, look, I'm too tired right now. I don't want to play rock star and groupie right now.
Oh, but I have an all-access pass.
Seriously.
Oh, you need a martini.
I need a nap.
Peter.
Look, Jillian, don't take this the wrong way, okay? This thing with this rebirth, this rediscovery, it's incredible. It's just a little overwhelming.
What are you saying?
I want to slow down. I want to let my heart catch up. I want to slow down.
But I like where things are. This feels electric to me. It's everything we let slip away.
And I don't want to lose that. I just...
Just what?
Come here. Jillian, I want to look at you. I want to hold your hand. I want to talk. And then I want to christen the kitchen.
You know what I really miss?
What?
Your music. You used to play for me.
I was just thinking about you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that was weird. It's like I conjured you. You really here?
Yeah? Yes, I am. I need to see you.
Let's get
I wanna
married.
talk. What?
Marry me.
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
Hey, Lauren. Open up, I need my hairbrush. Lauren.
What?
Why is your door locked?
I was taking a shower. I didn't want anyone to walk in on me.
So lock the bathroom door.
I didn't want anyone in my room.
It's just me. Oh, you don't want me in your room?
I want a little privacy, Mom.
Well, sure, I get that. Do you have my hairbrush?
Yeah, hold on. Here, sorry.
No, you can use it anytime. I just like to know where it is.
Mom!
What? I've been in your room 1,000 times.
I need some privacy.
I'm a girl too. No, but you're right. It is your room, and I'll respect your privacy. Yeah, actually, I think it shows a great deal of maturity to be able to set boundaries and ask for what you need. I'm all for it. I'm proud of you, and good for you.
I need to get dressed.
Okay.
up early.
I couldn't sleep.
Do as I do, don't try. If you doze, it's a bonus.
Why is it that every day is another opportunity to lower the bar?
Live, you lose. You expect less. Occasionally there's wine. Coffee?
I already had a pot.
Are you working on your book?
I was.
Don't let me stop the muse.
The muse has a way of stopping itself. Like a train into another train.
If you'd like a dispassionate eye, I'd be more than happy to read.
I'll keep that in mind.
It's a meat locker in here.
Oh my God, you've got a neck.
And ears. When did this happen?
Last night I got crazy with a bottle of schnapps and a straight razor. Is there any reason that the heat is set to Arctic?
That's Amy. She's slashing budgets like a libertarian. What's up with that tie?
I'm going into the office.
Really?
I'm going to be there to go through the mail and wait for the lunch truck. Mother, listen.
Peter, if you're trying to tell me about the financial difficulties of Gray and Gray Insurance, don't bother. Amy beat you to it. There's no need to apologize to me. It was your father's company, not mine. The only person you have to answer to is Jillian. I'm your mother. I love you unconditionally. Even if you wear that tie with that shirt.
That was easy.
The defendant, Brent Chase, who is 14, is charged with the aggravated sexual assault of Caroline Moran. The assistant state's attorney is Lisa Bartz. And defense counsel of record is Kathleen Kelly. I see Miss Kelly's not present.
She had the baby last night, Your Honor. Everyone's fine. I'm Colton Gerard. I'm covering the case.
Very well. And congratulate Miss Kelly for us. Now,
Your Honor, we moved to dismiss the charges on the grounds that this was obviously a consensual encounter.
well, the very fact of consent is what's under dispute, Counselor. Any other grounds? 10 words or less?
My client met this young lady at a party.
Well, as compelling as that is, it's not enough to exonerate your client, nor to obviate the need for a trial.
They came to party.
Right, party. I got it the first time, but that has absolutely nothing to do with this case.
Actually, Your Honor, it has everything to do with the case.
Mr. Gerard, as fun as this is, we're really not getting anywhere.
It was a service party, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
That's what the kids call it.
We're talking about an orgy?
I believe an orgy involves group activity. These parties are held specifically so these kids can pair up and have oral sex.
All right. Okay. Well, we'll hear more about this afternoon. At what time, Mr. Van Exel?
1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock. Thank you. I'll see you.
Well, Anthony Bird is my priority, and if he's not yours, I would like someone else to handle the search. Yes, I understand. Yeah, do you have my numbers? Please do that. Thank you.
Good news, right?
How on earth do you figure that, Sean?
Well, Anthony Bird was transferred to another county 2 years ago. Now those people have to do the search and find him.
Or it will simply be a different set of state employees doing absolutely nothing on his behalf.
I hope you're not implying that we've done nothing to find him. You've pretty much done nothing else.
I will not be accepting any gold stars until we find him.
We didn't lose him.
He's still lost.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I don't want to disturb you.
Oh, for heaven's sake, what is it?
A man called from the Barclay Hotel. He's got a teenage boy there, probably a runaway.
So why didn't he call the police?
I don't know.
Call him back. You can get some more information, please.
I will go. Now that Anthony Bird is someone else's problem, I have absolutely nothing to do.
Ned has a cavity.
He's 4, isn't that too young?
That's all the juice he drinks. It's the high sugar content.
How do you know?
Actually, Ned pointed it out.
Great. Just what we need. Dental bills.
You shaved.
I trimmed.
Looks nice.
I'm going to be spending a little more time in the office.
Really?
That's exactly what my mother said. Why is it so difficult to accept?
I thought you were done with that part of your life, that's all.
Oh, here. This should cover the car, minimum payments on the credit cards, and a big grocery run.
Speaking of household stuff,
Oh, not the washer-dryer discussion again.
I had to call the electrician out twice this month alone. I came downstairs this morning, there was water everywhere.
All right. I'll have a look at it.
Those clothes?
Well, do you want it fixed or not?
Peter.
Sorry. I'm, just been under a little stress lately.
You want to talk about it?
Go to Sears. Pick out a new washer-dryer.
Wait till you see them. They're really quiet now, energy efficient, and they come in the most fabulous colors.
It's open.
I thought you had trust issues. It could have been anyone.
Thought you were in court.
Yeah. I had a discovery hearing continued. They discovered new discovery, so.
So you had some time on your hands?
Yeah. Which is why I knocked on your door.
I'm glad you did.
Actually, I was hoping we could talk.
I'm on a bit of a deadline here.
You were really angry the other night, weren't you?
What? I don't remember being angry.
On the boat, the trust exercise.
Yeah, that. All right, here's the deal. You don't make me go sailing, and I don't make you go to Color Me Mine. Come
I don't.
here.
Oh, come on, I'm trying to talk to you about something serious.
Well, you should lighten up. It's a lot more fun.
Look, I know what you're doing, okay?
Really?
Yeah, you're using sex to try to keep me from talking about what I really want to talk about.
Which would be what?
Us. Trust, you know? How you feel. Yeah, you're doing it again.
Is it working?
Yeah, no.
Hey, David.
Okay.
Tell me about the boy.
I got some cash. I got a name, Jeremy Burns. He checked in last night. Has not been out since.
Drugs, prostitution.
Miss Gray.
Mr. Crimmins, I'm a big girl. One has to be to do the beautiful, inspiring work.
My night man said last night that he was very upset.
But your man couldn't tell if he was using?
Well, the kid has money. The kid was upset. If you want me to take a guess.
Please do.
I think he's here to get wasted and do some harm.
Hello, Jeremy? My name is Maxine Gray. I'm from the Department of Children and Families. You're not in any trouble, and I am not the police. Jeremy, the hotel manager and I need to know that you are all right. Hello. My name is Maxine Gray.
I'm fine. Okay? I just came here to think I'm fine. So just leave me alone.
I can't do that. Jeremy, I won't do that. Did something happen?
None of your business. Okay, leave me alone.
I'm from the Department of Children and Families, Jeremy. I cannot leave you alone until I know what's going on.
I just came here to think.
Think away. I have a light schedule.
It was the first high school party I went to. I thought it was going to be just a party. But when I was talking to Brent, like 10 kids came up saying, "It's your turn." I thought they meant to drink.
Had you been drinking?
A little bit.
What did they mean by "it's your turn"?
Kristen whispered that Brent wanted me to. that I had to give Brent
Oral sex.
Yes.
And did you?
I'm sorry, Caroline, you're going to have to answer for the record.
Yes.
Why are you crying, Caroline?
Because I didn't want to. But he told me that I wasn't leaving until I did it. I was scared. I didn't know what else to do.
Nothing further, Your Honor?
Were you the only freshman girl at the party?
Some senior girls invited me. They said anybody who matters will be there. I mean, I want them to like me, but you have to do everything they do.
How did you end up with the defendant?
He came over and we were just talking. Before I knew it, his pants were down. And he said, "You better do it or you're not getting out of here."
Do you need a few minutes? Okay. Cross-examination, counselor.
Did Brent Chase threaten to hurt you if you didn't give him oral sex?
No.
Did he physically restrain you or hold a gun or a knife to you?
No.
I can see why you had to do this.
We don't need the sarcasm, Mr. Gerard.
Did you try to run or hit him or gouge his eyes out the way other girls who are attacked do?
It wasn't like that.
No, you were among friends. Did you yell at any of these friends for help?
No.
Did you communicate in any way to Brent Chase that you didn't want to perform this act?
He knew me.
Did you ever say no, Miss Moran? Ever? Miss Moran.
No. I never said no. I didn't say anything.
My friend Josh and I decided to Google ourselves. See if anyone mentioned us in their blogs. I found my name on a website for missing kids. I figured that it was some other Jeremy Burns, you know? But my baby picture was on there. The same one that my mom carries in her wallet.
Someone kidnapped you?
My mom, when I was like 3.
And you found this out yesterday?
At Josh's house after school.
Yes, I'm in the middle of something, Sean. Everything is under control. Goodbye. Yesterday. Must have been quite upsetting for you. What did you do?
I went home and I told her what I found.
She let you leave?
Yeah. She probably figured that I would go to Josh's house or something to cool off.
Have you called your mother to tell her where you are?
No way. Look, let her wonder where I am for a little while. I've got a dad out there somewhere.
We can wait, but not for long. At some point, there are things I have to do as part of my job.
What things?
Call your mother. Call the police.
No police.
The law considers you a missing person. We have to clear that up.
If you do that, my mom will get in trouble. Don't make a big deal out of this. I can handle it myself.
We can handle it together.
No! Not now. Please. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know, everything has changed for me. Can we just wait for a little while? Please.
What are you doing?
You startled me.
I think you mean I caught you. Yeah, are those your CDs?
Don't bite me.
What are you looking for?
Nothing. I don't know. Whatever it is she's hiding from me.
Why do you think she's hiding something?
Suddenly I'm not welcome in her room. I've always been welcome in her room. I gave her this room.
She's a teenager. Keeping secrets is her job.
She's 12.
Another couple of months. Hey. She's growing up. Let her have her space.
It's easy for you to say.
Yeah, it is easy. What are you afraid of? She's doing drugs or something? Stashing them in her Paddington bag?
Don't even try, Vincent. You had Mom completely snowed with what you were doing way back when. I intend to be better informed.
Amy, get out of Lauren's room. Seriously. Before I lose all respect for you.
I'm doing my job as a parent.
You've done your job as a parent. Come on, let's get out of Lauren's room. I'm going to tell her the minute she gets home from her dad's house.
Don't you dare.
Vincent! Maybe I'll tell Mom about you lighting up on the roof every night in high school.
That'll wreck my life.
Your father's not dead. His name is Ronald Harbin. Last known address, Ohio. We could do a search. He probably wouldn't be hard to find.
I don't want to find him. I don't know him.
He is your father.
Well, I don't want a father. I don't even know if I want a mother anymore. My whole life, she told me he was dead.
Tell me about her. Your mother. Has she taken good care of you over the years? You know? Did she drink or do drugs or beat you? Or...
No, nothing like that. She's always been sort of the cool mom, you know? The one my friends don't mind being around. I mean, how many moms like your music? I don't want her to get in trouble. She loves me, and I know that. I mean, I'm mad at her, but...
Yes, Sean.
Where are you?
I'm exactly where I should be.
And that would be?
Home.
What happened?
Everything worked out with the boy. There was no need to put him in foster care.
So you'll be in tomorrow?
I promise.
Because if you're planning on being MIA like you were today, I'd rather know now.
Cross my heart and hope to die, Sean. I'll be there in the morning. Good night.
You're not going to turn me in?
If I thought it was the best course of action for you, I would. I prefer to contact both your parents, have a rational conversation, and with any luck, I could persuade them to work this out.
Can you do that?
I'm not supposed to. But frankly, the system... I don't want to lose you in the system.
You lose people?
Sometimes we do.
That's screwed up.
Yes, it is.
If that's how it is, why do you even work there?
Because, I used to know.
Oh God, is that the right time?
It's 7 minutes fast.
Oh, good. It's only 1:23 in the morning.
The night is young.
I gotta go.
No, stay.
I got a hearing at 9 a.m.
You know, if you had some things in my closet here, you could just
I want to be home to make breakfast for Lauren.
That's another thing. Don't you get tired of juggling the kids every time you want
What
to...
are you suggesting that we tell them we're sleeping together?
They don't already know?
Their shoe.
Right here. Move in with me. Oh, I'm serious. It would make everything so much easier.
Easier for who?
For us. And for the kids.
I want to make things easier for Victor and Lauren.
We'll lock them in their rooms at night.
Are you really asking me this?
I'm just trying to get your attention, I guess.
Why?
I'd like to know where we're going.
Why do we have to be going anywhere?
Relationships are like sharks.
Oh, not the shark thing.
They're not moving forward.
I happen to know some sharks lie at the bottom of the ocean and are completely happy. Besides, why do I suddenly need to give an appraisal of our relationship?
Because it's appropriate.
There was a time, David, when I was the one asking these questions and you were saying, I'm not ready, I'm not ready. I just got used to that response.
Yeah, well, things have changed.
For you, for your timing.
You know, if you're not there, you just...
I'm not saying I'm not there. Look, it's late.
Amy, I need to see a destination for the two of us, and I need to know that you see one too.
It's a long day yesterday, huh?
Very.
I haven't seen the paperwork on the kid from the hotel.
I haven't finished writing it up. Excuse me, I'm expecting some information to come to me by fax.
What was his name?
The boy? Jeremy.
What was his last name?
Maxine, this fax came for you.
My client, Sean.
It's from the Missing Children's website.
It was just simply a misunderstanding. It's a bad divorce. You know how that goes.
So the kid's back home?
As I said.
I want to see that paperwork today.
Go to the party to hook up. Do whatever the girl's up for. Most of them don't even want real sex.
Real sex?
They just want to fool around, you know?
No, I'm pretty sure I don't know. What does playing around mean to you?
Kissing. To everything but. When the guys saw Caroline's blue bracelet, they started to say stuff.
Her blue bracelet?
Yeah, the girls wear these, I don't know what you call them, jelly bracelets. They come in different colors so that you know what they're into. And blue means they do oral sex.
Girls color code themselves?
Orange is just kissing. Black means they go all the way. And clear's a wild card. I never saw it clear.
Okay, so Caroline was wearing a blue bracelet.
So what? I can wear a bracelet if I want.
Miss Moran, please be quiet.
So, Caroline was wearing a blue bracelet, and you assumed that meant that she wanted to engage in oral sex.
Objection, leading.
On this topic, I think a little guidance is a good thing.
I thought that she was at the party because she wanted to... a blue bracelet.
And you didn't force her in any way.
I never even touched her. 3 guys pulled down my pants and told me to go for it.
How did that make you feel?
Mad. Embarrassed, but I know they were just trying to help.
To help? How did you feel after your blue bracelet moment?
Weird. Kinda. I don't know. Sad.
Why did you let it happen?
Everybody was there. You can't just be a wuss. I didn't have a choice.
Well, your friends may have called you names, but you had a choice.
3 guys pulled down my pants hard and pushed me toward her. I didn't feel like I had a choice. They made sure it was gonna happen. It was do it or else.
I'm gonna want to talk to the other kids at the party. So, Mr. Gerard, you provided us with a list of the guests of the affair. Can you just make sure they're in the courtroom tomorrow?
Oh, Your Honor, I didn't plan to call all the guests.
Well, I do. If you need subpoenas, ask Mr. Van Exel. Thank you.
Oh! Jillian.
I'm
sorry. I didn't see a car, so I just used my key.
That's okay. I was absorbed.
Listen, I just wanted to drop these for Peter. It's financial stuff.
Yeah, I'll make sure that he gets it.
Thanks.
So how are you?
I'm hanging in. You know, with all the stuff we have going on. Are you working on your book?
You could say that.
I admire what you're doing. The way you're handling everything. Your life, your marriage, standing up for your art regardless. It's inspiring.
Thanks, Jillian. It's a load of BS is what that is.
I beg your pardon?
I'm not working on my book. I'm doing paralegal work for a lawyer, a guy I went to college with. I don't even like him.
I don't understand.
I'm doing data entry on a litigation concerning property rights over a load of gravel. Have you ever heard anything more boring?
I thought you came home to finish your book.
I've been writing and rewriting the same 27 pages. They're not getting any better.
I'm sorry.
In the meantime, I have to deal with my cash flow problems.
No, I understand. Believe me, Peter and I had to slog through our money stuff yesterday.
So long as you can get him to realize it's not all his fault.
Well, it's not.
He's been running the business all these years. He's gonna feel guilty about it going belly up. He did tell you about this.
Of course. And I'm trying to help. I'm not gonna take any more of your time. We can talk later.
Okay, Jill.
Mr. Harbin, this is Maxine Gray. I've left 7 messages for you. I did not want to leave specific information on a phone machine, but time has become a factor. Mr. Harbin, you have a son. He's 16 years old. He would like to make contact with you. Now, I've spoken with your ex-wife. She begs you to handle this with her privately. She realizes that what she did was extreme and wrong and hurtful, but this is now about the feelings of a teenage boy who's had his life turned upside down by the realization that he has a father. He's a wonderful young man, Mr. Harbin. You'd be so proud. Please call me and see if we can work out a solution to keep your son from being wounded any further. Thank you.
So what'd she do when he asked her for her homework? No way, she's such a geek around him. You tell her, I'm not gonna tell her.
Should I come back?
Taylor, my mom's home. I gotta go. Okay, cool. Don't worry. I finished my homework.
Oh, good. Good. No, I just wanted to say hi. How's your day?
Fine.
What's Taylor up to?
Nothing.
Somebody's being a geek with the boys?
This girl named Sullivan.
Sullivan? Taylor? How come all your friends sound like men from the early 1900s?
I don't get it.
Oh, no, it's just a stupid... Yeah. Where did you get that?
I've had it for a long time. Someone gave it to me.
Who? Who gave this to you, Lauren?
I don't know. Taylor, maybe. Why are you getting so mad?
You don't know what these bracelets mean?
They don't mean anything.
Don't lie to me, Lauren. I had testimony in my court today about what these bracelets mean. They are an advertisement for sex.
What?
Are you and Victor having sex, Lauren? And oral sex is sex.
Mom, stop saying
we need to talk about this,
No,
Lauren.
we don't. Get out of my room and leave
Lauren,
me alone.
get
Jillian.
Vincent let it slip.
It's not as bad as it sounds. I've been going over the numbers. There are things we can do, strategies. Oh, who am I kidding? It's worse than it sounds. I'm without a paddle. I'm sorry.
Peter.
I thought I could do both. I really did. Play a little bass, write a little insurance, your garden variety rock and roll fantasy. But I get it now. I know what I have to do. But if you want to blast me and call me a selfish, middle-aged jerk because...
No, Peter, look at me. This is a soul-killing place. At least for you.
What do you mean?
Here's the thing. You weren't wrong to grow a beard and play in a band. And I know there are practical concerns, but I won't stand by as your wife, your ex-wife, your friend, your whatever the hell we are, and watch you go backwards. I want you to be happier than you were.
I don't know what else to do.
We can get by with less.
How?
I don't know, but we'll find a way. For starters, I don't need that new washer and dryer. All I need is a decent laundromat and a sack of quarters, and I'm good to go.
Are you sure?
Well, we could sell the van.
You want to share a car?
Peter, we share 2 kids. A car's a piece of cake. I'm here, okay? I'm not asking to get back together. I'm not sure what I'm saying, except that I'm here and I don't want you to give up on your dream. In fact, I won't let you.
You want to grab some dinner?
I brought sandwiches and beer.
Oh, all we need is a bottle opener.
Well, I'm way ahead of you.
Thank you.
I'm glad you kept the beard. But maybe lose the tie.
Sean? What's happening?
Come here.
Why is there a policeman here?
A man named Ronald Harmon contacted the police this morning saying that his son was with a woman named Maxine Gray. What are you doing, Maxine?
My job.
You lied to me.
I was trying to protect the boy. Now, I would like to see Jeremy, all right? I brought him some food.
He doesn't want to talk to you.
Why not?
His mother was taken into custody.
Oh, Sean, no.
What did you do?
No.
You said that it was gonna be okay. You said that my mom was gonna be okay.
I'll fix it, Jeremy.
She's in jail. They're taking me someplace I don't even know where
I
to.
promise you, I will not let go of this.
Stay out of it. Leave me alone. I should have never talked to you. Leave me alone. You lied. Leave me alone.
All right. I would like to speak with the boy's father because I'm certain that I can broker
Maxine, stop.
an agreement.
Stop. What are you thinking?
Don't put him in the system,
He's
Sean.
in the system, Maxine. He's in. You're off this.
You are obviously the popular kids. It's funny how you can always tell. The need to fit in is as old as time. It's a survival skill. Somewhere deep down, our lizard brain tells us that if we don't fit in, we die. Peer pressure is also an old concept. It helps to keep the pack in line. Some, and maybe all of you, watched as 2 younger students degraded themselves for your entertainment. As immoral as this may be, it is not illegal to ignore a victim, or in this case, victims, because Brent Chase was a victim too. But Brent and Caroline could have made a different choice. They should have made a different choice. But they did what you told them to do. And that's unfortunate. Because if you encourage someone to commit a crime, then you yourself are guilty of that crime. And each of you willfully intimidated your young friends into performing a humiliating sexual act. So, I'm dismissing the case against Brent Chase, but I am suggesting counseling for both him and Miss Moran. Now, Ms. Bart, I recommend that charges be filed against any of these students who may be found guilty of criminal solicitation or aggravated sexual assault. Furthermore, the parents of the student who hosted this party should be investigated for contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Now, I know how hard it is to raise a teenager. You never know where the line is. When should I intervene? When should I step back and let her make her own mistakes? But clearly what happened here was way over the line. And what were you two thinking? You let your 14-year-old daughter go to a party with older kids. Did you ask questions? Did you talk to the parents of the student who hosted the party? You put her in a terrible position. And here we are. Look, you know what? Pay closer attention to your kids. They don't have to like it. So I will wait to hear from the state's attorney's office, and court's adjourned.
It's open.
Hey. I called, but it went straight to voicemail.
I've got till midnight to make a filing.
I can go back.
No. Please, come in. Just writing in circles anyway.
So I've been doing some thinking.
Would you like to sit down?
No, I'm good. I'm happy the way things are.
I see.
Well, David, you asked me to define us, and I'm saying I can't. Not now. Not before I'm ready.
So what do we do till then?
I don't know. I was hoping we could just be.
Be?
As we are. No complications, no agendas. Come in.
Can we talk?
Of course.
Here's the thing. I'm a good person, and you don't have to worry about me so much.
I know.
I'm not stupid.
I know.
You accused me of lying and having sex.
I'm sorry. I really am. I did not handle that well. It's just... Come here. There's just so many things you can't control in this world, Lauren. And I know that you're going to do your best to try to make good decisions. But things aren't always that simple. And I don't want to see you get into a situation where you feel you have to do something you're not ready to do.
I won't.
But...
I won't.
Can you just tell me one thing, please? Are you and Victor...
Mom, stop it. We broke up.
What? What happened?
I don't want to talk about it. It's like all anybody at school cares about. Boys, and I just don't want to talk about it.
Will you promise me when you're ready to talk about it that you'll come to me?
I don't know.
Please? I promise I'm really cool.
I guess I could tell you some stuff.
Good. Good. Some is good.
I love you, Mom. Don't worry so much.
Late in the summer, children run without clothes. Chill of the winter, not far down the road. In the windows are silhouettes of husbands and wives, watching in silence till the evening arrives. Promise of rain can be heard on the breeze. Well, oh Lord, we break so easy.
Previously on Judging Amy.
KCI shot and killed both of his parents and his 8-year-old sister last night. You released him from custody. How do you feel about that?
I've come to a decision. I will be going to China, and you can go to hell.
There was a partial print on the knife this morning. He got a hit.
So you mean...
He knows who killed my wife.
Are you saying it's over?
If I am, Jillian, you have no one to blame but yourself.
I understand that you hate me, but is it absolutely necessary for you to hate this baby too?
Before I ask what's going on out front, I have a more important question. Are Peter and I too old for bunk beds? Whoa. That's weird. There's no coffee.
And no food.
And no mom. Where is she?
Out there.
I thought she stopped smoking.
I took her car to the car wash the other day. All the ashtrays are stuffed, even in the back. I don't get it. Does she twist around and put them out?
Morning.
Hey, Mom.
There's no coffee.
And no food.
I was in the market yesterday, shopping for what I calculated was approximately my 16,000th breakfast in this kitchen. I bought frozen waffles for Peter, blueberry muffins for Amy, and organic muesli for Vincent because he's been in San Francisco. The cashier was running it through, and suddenly I walked out to the car and rolled up the window and screamed. Then I said, "Maxine, it might be time for a change. Start with breakfast." So I'm having my breakfast out. You're all welcome to join me. Dress for rain. We have what your father used to call a Hartford sky. It's rather gray. The color of insurance.
Okay, I really hate to ask you this, but has David called this morning?
No.
Because he's in New Mexico. We keep missing each other.
What's he doing there?
He's overseeing Samuel Parker's extradition back to Connecticut.
Is that the guy who killed his wife?
Yeah.
David's not allowed anywhere near that case.
Technically no, but you know, it's too important, so he's overlooking everybody's shoulder, driving him crazy.
Whoa, we're not going that way. Follow me.
Okay. Anyway, New Mexico speeds things up so I get my boyfriend back.
Did you say boyfriend? What are you, 10?
What, you flipper, I'd say. My lover?
No, don't say it.
Judge Gray, we're condemned.
To what?
Sealing lists down over the weekend. You know, good thing it didn't happen during a session. You know, personally, I think I would have survived, but it wouldn't have been pretty for you.
You could have had my job if you'd ever taken the bar.
They say we might have to be out of here for almost 2 weeks.
2 weeks? I'm already backed up.
And Judge Sobel will stop by looking for you.
Judge Henry Sobel, the chief court administrator for the entire state of Connecticut.
That's the guy.
Why is he here? Is this about the Casey Ives case? Am I being fired? Where's he now?
He said he'd hunt you down. That he wasn't gonna leave until he'd seen you.
That's great. That's just great.
Pull it out.
This is David McLaren. Please leave a message.
Hi, it's me again. So, my courtroom's caved in and I think I'm in trouble.
Where are you?
You want to hear a joke, Maxine? It's really funny.
I hate jokes. They usually involve the unlikely pairing of priests and rabbis who, for no good reason, are always playing golf with Hitler.
Well, you know, golf is funny. I mean, look at the pants.
What is that?
Just a report on the special needs kids in foster care who are about to start first grade. Anthony Bird. It seems that we may have... Now, don't get mad.
Say it, Sean.
Lost him.
Isn't he in the computer?
And apparently not all the files made the transfer.
Well, so instead of placing my next 100 children, you want me to do detective work because someone couldn't be bothered to file their report properly?
You'll clear it up in 3 phone calls.
That's not the point. We have computers. We have more or less educated social workers. There is no excuse.
I know, Maxine, but Anthony Bird has been misfiled. Let me know what you find out.
Ignacio, what a nice surprise.
If this is a bad time, I could...
No, it's a good time.
Thanks. I really feel stupid doing this, but it's been 3 months since your mother slammed the door on me, and she refuses to take my calls, and she sends back the flowers I send her, and at the risk of sounding like somebody who can't take a hint, I thought I'd give it one more try.
She heard from somebody else that you're still married.
Well, I am, but she didn't hear why.
I'd like to know that myself.
I come from a very, very traditional Catholic family, and divorce is unacceptable, particularly for my mother. So I agreed to honor my commitment and stay legally married.
Because you're afraid of your mother?
Oh, when you put it like that, it doesn't sound quite so noble.
It's not noble. It's dishonest. You should have told my mother.
If I could just explain this to her, or maybe if you could.
That's great. Sorry. Judge Sobel wants you to meet him in the basement storage room.
Why?
He says he's shopping.
Hello? Judge Sobel, are you here?
Judge Gray, over here.
Oh, I heard you wanted to see me, sir. And by the way, welcome to our courthouse.
Did you even know you had all this stuff in your basement?
Actually, no, I didn't, sir.
We don't throw things away in this state. One of the great things about being chief court administrator is all this cool stuff. I was just picking out some things for my chambers. If you see anything at all.
Well, maybe this bust here. But something tells me that you didn't come here today to help me chair up my courtroom.
No, I didn't, Judge Gray. I would like you to spend a few weeks in our accountability courtroom.
Accountability?
Yes.
Judge Sobel, if I may, with all due respect.
Yes, Judge Gray?
It's speeding tickets. It's truancy. It's little rascal stuff. It's things that we shouldn't be dealing with in juvenile court anyway.
I don't agree. I think the smaller the charge, the sooner we get to the kid, the more impact we can make. Look at that old phone. This phone was used in a time when men still wore hats.
Well, I disagree.
No, they did.
No, not about the hats, but about the basic principles of accountability, at least in this case. There are no lawyers, and I think children need them. In accountability...
It's just you and the kid.
There's no record, no clerk.
And the kid.
There's no adversarial system. It's just... me.
And the kid. And when you peel away all the crap, that's all it's about anyway. Or should be about. Oh. I think that's a portrait of Roosevelt. I gotta dust this off.
Judge Sobel, I have tried to do a conscientious job in my courtroom.
And you have. And it's been condemned, at least for now.
Am I being condemned too? Is this about the Casey Ives case? Is it about my accountability?
Judge Gray, you start tomorrow. Take it easy the rest of the day. Come on, Franklin. By the way, if you ever get a chance, New Haven, storeroom, check it out. It's awesome.
This is David McLaren. Please leave a message.
Hi, it's Amy.
And Amy, if this is you, I love you. I miss you, and I'm on my way home.
Got a minute?
Donna, please don't be weird. I've been up all night in an unmarked police car watching people not commit crimes and not need medical attention. I just want to go to bed.
It's just...
Hi.
Heather's here.
10 minutes, that's all.
I'll be in my room.
I know this is out of the blue, and I'm probably doing it wrong. But I've come to make amends.
Amends? You're working the steps?
Best I can.
What's the deal, Heather? What do you want?
Stay clean and own my part.
You screwed up way too much in my life. You never supported my sobriety. You lied to me about being pregnant. I even flew to your father's house to track down you and my fictitious kid.
I did screw up your life, and I didn't support your sobriety. But I didn't lie about being pregnant. We have a son. His name is...
Okay, just stop, Heather. Just stop right there.
Starting a 90-day residential rehab program in Minnesota next week. My sister will take care of everything until I get out.
You're lying again. I know you're lying.
If you want to know more, my cell phone still works. Bye, Kyle.
You've seen all these kids today.
This is before lunch.
Where are you going to be? Just sitting out here?
Oh, man. Divided everyone into tenors and altos. We're going to have fun.
If you took a bar, I could be of some real help.
Thanks for reminding me. So, if you're ready.
Well, Mrs.
I'm just Mom. This is juvenile, right? That's him.
So, Daquan, you understand the charges?
Look at her, fool.
The officer said you were skateboarding.
You want to know if he's guilty? Well, tell her you ain't guilty. See? Next case.
It's like totally alive.
It was just a cigarette.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who doubted it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks.
Hector Moreno. This is your father, Umberto, and Ms. Nunez, the court-appointed interpreter. Okay. Hector. Well, looks like this isn't too good a day for you, is it?
que no es buen día para ti,
Hector.
Héctor.
I'm sorry, did you say something? Because if you did, I didn't hear.
I don't know.
No sé.
You don't know? Well, I don't believe you. I believe you do know.
Bueno, no te creo.
Hector, I said...
I
heard.
Te oí.
I hope you did. Because it says here, in June you're caught with marijuana at school. Today's your court date. And take off your cap, please.
Quítate la gorra, por favor.
You show up, you go through the metal detector, and,
I don't know.
we'll think about it. Because it's a pretty simple question. All I'm asking for is for you to be accountable. What happened when you show up at court today?
I told you.
That you don't know. Okay. Well, I'll tell you. It says here, you passed through the detectors, saw 2 police officers, acted suspiciously, and deposited a suspicious-looking bag in the trash can. You had the misfortune to be apprehended by the officers in the act of doing so. Those are the facts.
Esos son los datos.
Which you can think about until tomorrow when I want you back here. Okay, thank you. Ms. Kozlowski, who's next?
Yes.
Celia Robinson, I'm...
Maxine Gray, DCF. You placed Martin with me.
You are correct.
Oh, come on in.
Actually, I'm due at another house. I was just wondering if by any chance Anthony Bird was still in your care.
Anthony Bird, no.
You fostered a lot of children, Mrs. Robinson. Perhaps if you saw a picture?
I don't forget the children that I take care of. He looks sweet, but he was never here. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're back. I am back. I'm back.
You should go way more often.
Just get the going away. Just keep coming back. It's much better. I've got something for you.
I thought you were working the whole time.
I was. Then I went to the airport. They have many fine shops. Now, I don't know the significance of this, but I would try not to take them off if I were you. And nothing says New Mexico like turquoise.
Honey, I love it. I'm so glad you're back.
I'm back, really. I'm really back. Almost. I almost put this behind us.
The trial could last for a year.
I know. I hope it doesn't, but if it does, I mean, we'll be together in a year.
Do you think?
Without all this, yeah, I do.
Hello? Oh, hi, Taylor. I don't know. Lauren?
Yeah?
She's in the other room, okay.
Uncle Vincent's teaching me how to play real money poker.
Fabulous. It's Taylor.
Hi, Taylor. Oh my God, you're so kidding.
You have homework.
You really did that?
So do you.
What was he wearing?
Aren't you supposed to be writing a book? Although, I never actually see you writing a book.
I never actually see you reading a book.
That's so stupid.
You are.
What's your stupid book about, anyway?
I'm hungry.
Oh, it's about food? Really?
Did Mom go shopping?
Peter, that is my tapioca.
It's my tapioca.
It's clearly marked with my name on it. Get it.
It was
says that's her tapioca.
Really? I don't know.
No, that doesn't taste like her
Give me
tapioca.
the tapioca. It's not funny. You guys! This is so not funny! You guys always say this is funny, and it's just not. Give it to me.
Oh.
Give me the tapioca, Peter! I'm challenged!
Who? Dad's dead.
Mom likes us better.
Oh, Mom.
We gotta talk about Mom.
Talk about Mom.
And worse than that, we have to talk to Mom.
Man, about the smoking.
Yeah, what's up with that? I'm telling you, she's not sleeping at night.
So, go up and ask her about it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Mom, can I talk to you?
I suppose so. Just wanted to say hi, and what are you doing?
Is that That's the ring that Jared gave me.
Oh, Mom.
I was brought up with some very bad ideas, Amy.
What do you mean?
Women marry, men complete us. Prince Charming.
It's not who you are.
Really? I wouldn't be so sure.
You've always taken care of yourself. You're just lucky to have met a few men along the way who made you happy. There's nothing wrong with that.
I should have quit while I was ahead.
Ignacio came to see me today. He misses you. He, wanted to explain why he did what he did, hoping that you'd listen to me. I like him. He made you smile and took you out dancing, and you wore red. You look so good in red. You ever gonna talk to him?
No.
Where are you going?
Out. I need some air.
There's air here.
Well, air of my own, then.
Mom, I'm worried about you. I don't understand what's going on with you.
I know.
Maxine? Maxine? You've been here all night?
I had a thought.
You found the Anthony Bird files.
I found year 3, but it's close, but not close enough. Actually, I had a thought. I can determine which foster home he is in by process of elimination.
That would mean calling every foster parent in the system, every group home.
No, just the ones who are willing to take special needs children, 6 or under. I was waiting for it to get light outside.
Go home, Maxine. Get some sleep.
I'm fine.
You're going to be worthless by 11:30. Go home.
After I locate Anthony.
Anthony is not missing. His files are.
You said that I could clear this up in 3 phone calls. You were not correct about that, Sean. It'll take more like, 300. If I become useless, I will go home. I swear to you.
I'll start the coffee.
Have you done any thinking since yesterday?
About what?
¿Sobre qué?
Maybe about the kind of person you want to be? I'm sure your mom and dad...
I'm a person now.
What kind of person, Hector, gets busted for smoking a joint on school grounds and then stuffs a bag full of dope in the trash on the day he goes to see the judge?
That wasn't what it was.
Okay. Well, we're ahead of yesterday. Yesterday you didn't know anything. So what was in the bag?
¿Qué es lo que estaba en la bolsa?
Come on, Hector. What? Pop-Tarts?
something's going on.
Algo está pasando.
Because I got your grades.
Tengo tus
All A's and B's. You're obviously bright.
Ves, obviamente.
Then 6 months ago, you start getting D's and F's. 2 months later, you're cited for smoking pot at school, so I have to add things up and assume...
Why don't you just put me away?
Why would I do that?
Come on, you know.
No, I don't. You're gonna have to explain it to me.
You don't think about me. No one does. I'm a ghost. Just do it.
Where am I supposed to put you?
Juvenile hall? I'm already there. You know that. I'm there.
The prosecution would have you believe that my client is a monster of no social value whatsoever. But I submit to you, good and kind men and women of the jury, that my client is telling the truth. And I beg you to look beyond your prejudices, look beyond your fears, and spare his life. This man is innocent. For God's sake, do your duty and set him free.
You got my vote.
Are you done for the day? Because you told me to remind you to pick up a bottle of wine to take to David's.
When are you going to take the bar?
Painters are supposed to start on Monday, but I don't know if this place will be ready.
You'd rather come in here and pretend to be a lawyer than actually be one?
I was just fooling around.
You went to law school, Donna. Were you just fooling around then? You're so close. The yellow brick road is right in front of you, and you won't step out of Munchkin land. I'm not saying you're a Munchkin. You are capable of so many things. And somewhere in you must know that, because nobody forced you to go to law school. But unless you take the bar, it's all for nothing. And that makes me sad, Donna. Sad. And sad.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man known to you all as the Jocko Pastorius of Hartford, Madman Peter Gray! Oh, thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Peace now, peace now. All right, this next one I wrote in Marrakesh in 1963 before...
Oh, don't stop.
I can't do it now.
Why?
Because you're watching.
Isn't that what rock stars do? They perform, people watch. Ned bit someone yesterday.
That Doherty kid? Cool. Was there blood?
Statement bites. That's what they call it now. I think he's internalizing our stress.
I'm not stressed.
I thought you should know. This came for you. It says time sensitive. I thought I should bring it over.
Oh, it's from Dick Cheney, reminding me of all the accomplishments of the Bush administration.
I don't like to open your mail, Peter.
Look, why don't you come for supper tomorrow? Bring the boys. It'll be good to...
Walt's coming down with something.
What kid isn't?
Oh, okay, sure.
I should,
Yeah, no, you should. You sounded good.
Oh, thanks.
I wonder if...
What?
Nothing. Just... Maybe if the garage was soundproofable... I'll see you tomorrow.
It's me, it's Abe.
I can't talk right now.
No, I'm here. I'm at the window. What's going on? You okay?
I don't know.
David, open the door.
He's dead. Parker.
What?
The guy who killed my wife.
How'd he...
In custody. Another inmate took him out.
Here?
New Mexico. He never even got on the plane.
Open the door, sweetie. Please.
It's over. It's just... It's all over.
Hey.
Morning.
It's cold out here. You want a blanket or something?
I've become accustomed to it. How's David?
He's confused. He's in shock. He says that he's dealt with his grief over Kelly's death, but I would think this would trigger a whole other kind of grief, you know? Mom?
They say gardens are good for the heart. Being in greenery slows your pulse and calms you down.
Cats, too.
Huh?
I read that petting a cat lowers your blood pressure. I thought that was interesting. There's nothing wrong with that plum tree.
We have several broken sprinklers.
Oh, well, maybe we should fix them before the trees die. Would you like me to call someone?
I'll do it.
What do you want from me?
I want you to explain yourself.
About the bag? I forgot it was there.
Any idea how long it was there?
No, a while.
Hector? Better me asking these questions than some strutting prosecutor.
Oh no, 4 or 5 months maybe. I don't know.
Hector. I want to help you, but it's time for the truth.
It is the truth.
Dad, did your wife let your kids go to school in clothes that haven't been washed for 6 months?
Dígale, por favor, que yo estoy criando a los niños solo.
Your Honor, Mr. Moreno says he's raising his 3 boys alone.
Hector, do you see your mother?
¿Ves a tu mamá?
Often?
Frecuentemente.
You don't know.
Dígale a la juez de que nosotros ya comenzamos el procedimiento de divorcio.
The parents have begun divorce proceedings, Your Honor.
You have? ¿Por qué no me dijiste?
Why didn't you tell me?
¿Sabías esto todo este tiempo?
How long have you known this?
¿Luis y Humberto saben?
Do Luis and Humberto know?
¿O soy el único,
Or am I
papá?
the only one, Father?
¿Por qué no me dijiste?
Why didn't
¿Yo
you
qué
tell me?
hice?
What did I do?
¿Es mi culpa?
Is it my fault?
Yo pude haber sido mejor.
Yo no tengo por qué darte explicaciones.
Ella es mi mamá. Yo ya soy grande, pero Luis solo tiene 9 años. Toda la noche me pregunta dónde está y yo le tengo que decir de que ya viene.
¿Por qué no le decís que es una puta?
Where is she, papá? Tell me where she is. ¿A dónde está? Do you know where my mom is?
I don't know, Hector. I wish I did.
She's made no effort to contact the children in 6 months. She's living somewhere with a boyfriend.
Can I have just 5 minutes?
Héctor, ¿podemos salir un momento?
Hector, I want you to know something. I want you to hear something. I'm not going to put you away. I'm not going to throw you away. You're not a ghost. I see you. I see you. I see you.
John, your customer's here for his pickup. I believe he's got a 20-pound bag of box oil.
The sprinkler system you installed is faulty. I have an imperiled plum tree.
I can fix it. Sometimes we run the lines too close to the roots, but I can fix it. I'll take care of it personally.
I would appreciate that.
Come in.
Look inside. Please.
For what?
You'll know.
You're learning Japanese?
Yes, but that's not what you're looking for.
Are you looking for the match? Because I haven't seen it.
Forget that.
Hey, that's my pen. You took the bar, and you haven't opened the results for 3 months?
I can't.
Why? What's the worst thing that could happen? You fail? A lot of people fail the first time.
Did you?
Well, this isn't about me. Just open it. Please.
Would you? I passed. I'm a lawyer.
I'll put it right on top of the green square. Okay.
Yeah.
Mom! Mom!
Hey, nice fort.
Hey, Lauren. Is Ned playing nicely?
So far. So far.
Oh, that's encouraging.
Make way. I'm coming in.
Oh, I must have fallen down. Oh no.
I'll put it right on top of
Amy, hi. Is Maxine around?
Yeah, sure, come on in. Dinner's almost ready. You want to join us?
Thanks, but tonight's not good.
Oh, okay. Go get her. Sean's at the door. Do you want me to stir anything?
No.
Good. I'll be in the fort.
Sean,
The calls you made about Anthony Bird,
I still have 40 or so to do.
I had a few people stay late and finish them. There's no trace of him, Maxine.
No trace. None? Well, No one has any information or knowledge of the chain of custody?
Not since he was 3 years old. This is major.
Well, where is he? He has to be somewhere.
There's nothing to be done tonight. Come in early.
Will you stay for dinner?
Thanks, but, see you in the morning.
What if Heather's telling the truth?
She's not. She's very adept at figuring out what'll destroy my life at any given moment. I mean, what is she getting, a newsletter or something? Just when I had my life back on track.
What track would that be?
I'm doing the cop thing. Finally found my passion.
Let's just pretend for a second that Heather's telling the truth for the first time in her life. She's facing her addiction, she's making amends to the people that she's hurt, and she's letting you know about a child that's half yours.
There's no child.
Just pretend.
I can't. I know her. She's one of those women who will drain you and take off.
This is about you and a baby that you created.
Heather's lying.
You don't know that.
Even if she's not, I don't care. I don't want to have anything to do with it. Screw the whole thing.
Don't you dare. I spend my days and nights searching for children whose no-care parents can't be bothered. Don't you dare! Don't you dare leave that child! You hear me? Because once he's gone, and I will not find him for you!
Mom? This is where you ran off to.
I didn't run, I walked very slowly. How's Mom?
Locked in her room. That was weird, huh?
Very. I moved back to this house for some stability.
That was a bad call.
One of many.
I don't feel like we've really talked since you've come back. In fact, I kind of feel like you've been avoiding talking to me.
No, not at all. Can, we not have this conversation right now?
Is that a joke?
No? I have a lot on my mind and I have no perspective on it.
Well, that's what I'm here for, to give you perspective.
I just want to sit here. Okay?
Okay.
You don't have to leave.
You can't hide behind social graces. Don't try to be all touchy-feely, 'cause you lie in my face of all places. But I got no problem with that, really.
Dreams sparking in his eyes, ideas that soared across the skies. He saw the future clear and bright, turning darkness into light. Magnetic fields and buzzing wires, all the world is grand empire. Every thought is spark anew. He changed the world with visions true. He lived for wonder, sight and sound, creating magic all around. Tesla's dreams, they fly so high, lighting up the midnight sky. Fast race high, hills and sense and uplifting, broken straight and electrifying, joyful feel. Light shines so clear, electric dreams year after year. Energy flows, his visions race across the stars and through to the quick, play and sims, and buying Tesla's curiosity and relentless drive. Through coils and towers he cast his sight, 1,000 volts, a flash of light. With minds of steel and hands of fire, he built the world's electric spire. His mates were filled with endless dreams, power pulsing through his schemes. He left his mark, a brilliant trail, in every wire and every tale. With power in his tiny hands, he shaped the world, made it stand. Tesla's light, it blazes on, a spark of brilliance never gone. And uplifting focus, resistance and point, then instinct is a feel. Oh, Tesla's light shines so clear, electric dreams year after year. Energy flows, his stations rise across the stars and through deep space. With every spark and every glow, he's showing us how dreams can grow. Inventing wonders with fearless light, Tesla's world is shining bright. And the quiet of his midnight mind, he dreamed of power undefined. A restless heart, a boundless soul, Tesla reaching for his goal. Oh, Tesla's light shines so clear, electric dreams here